If you're using a Fire TV stick or Android TV and want a superior viewing experience, IBO Player is an excellent choice. This tutorial will teach you how to quickly install and configure it to take your viewing experience to the next level. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Your support is my motivation to continue creating content. First, open your App Store and search for and download the Downloader app. This tool is essential for installing third-party software. Set it aside after downloading. Before the actual installation, we need to perform some necessary settings. Go to Settings, then My Fire TV. Find the About option and tap it 7 times to activate developer mode. Next, return to Developer Options, enable ADB debugging permissions, and authorize Downloader to install apps from unknown sources. Now, open Downloader and accurately enter my special code, 511693, in the input field at the top. Please double-check the number to ensure it's correct and avoid errors. Click it to start the download. After the application download is complete, click Install. Once installation is finished, select Finish, and remember to delete the installation package to free up space. Now, go to your application list, find the IBO Player you just installed, and launch it for the first time. Surprisingly, your newly downloaded IBO Player comes with a 7-day free trial, allowing you to enjoy it for a full week without any issues and experience firsthand just how powerful this top-tier media player is. After entering the main interface, click Playlists, and then add new M3UX stream or playlist. Here, you need to accurately enter your playlist name, username, password, and the corresponding server URL. Please double-check every word and strictly follow the requirements to ensure that every character matches the information provided by the service provider. This will ensure a successful connection on the first try. Due to platform policy restrictions, I cannot directly display specific movie content and playback screens within the video. If you encounter any tricky issues during configuration or want to get a dedicated 24-hour test account and advanced configuration guidance, simply click the link in the description section below the video or the pinned comment to join my private community. I will personally guide you step by step to configure the best performing player. If this tutorial was helpful, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.